If your WordPress website is showing error establishing a database connection, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the most common causes of this error and show you exactly how to fix each one step by step. Whether your website is hosted on a live server or running on localhost, this guide will help you to get your website back online. So let's jump right in. So before we fix it, let's quickly understand why it happens. This error simply means that WordPress cannot connect to your MySQL database, and without a database connection, WordPress can't retrieve your website's content, settings, or posts. The most common causes include incorrect database credentials in the wp-config.php file, the MySQL database server is down, server or hosting issues. So now let's go through each solution. So I'll just log into my cPanel. Then I'll go to where my WordPress website is hosted. So I'll search for File Manager. So I'll navigate to my subdomain where my WordPress website is hosted. So you want to come to your wp-config.php file. So you right click on it, then you click on the edit button. So here is our wp-config.php file. So the first thing first is you want to confirm if your database actually exists. So I'll navigate to my php-myadmin. So I want to confirm if that database actually exists. So let me scroll through and see. So I'll go back. So our database is wp-285. So let me see. So as you can see, we have it here, wp-285. So our database actually exists and it's still giving us this error establishing a database connection. So what you want to do is you want to reset the password for this database. So you navigate to your cPanel tools, so you search for manage my database. So it takes you to this page. So you want to reset the password for your database. So for that, I'll go back to my wp-config.php file. So here is my database username. So as you can see, it's the same thing. So I'll head back here, then I'll locate that particular user. As you can see, here it is. So you click on this change password, then you just generate a new password. So as you can see, we have successfully changed our database password. So you head back to your wp-config.php file. So to remove this former password, then I'll paste in my new password in between this single quotation. Then you click on Save Changes. So let's just go back to our website and let's just refresh and see. So as you can see, our website is back. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.